G'day, it's Kay and Craig from the Nickel Kellett Bushwalking Adventures.
Good morning.
And this morning you'll find us in the Abernathy Natural Nature Reserve. Okay, once again, we're not walking alone. I'd like to introduce our special guest hiker for the day, Heather.
Good morning again.
And Heather will explain to you what we're going to be doing today.
We're walking to the Osprey viewing platform and we're going around a couple of lochs, and it's quite a short walk, about 6 miles, so hopefully, and we may see red squirrels today, hopefully.
Hopefully, yes.
Yes.
Okay, but that's not all. We have an extra special guest hiker with us today. Would you like to welcome Charles?
Hello.
Good morning, Charles. How are you?
Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. Yourself?
We're well. We're looking forward to a good day out in the bush.
In the rain.
In the rain. Oh, it's not
No,
raining.
not raining, it's drizzling.
Drizzling.
Mizzle.
Oh, mizzle.
Mizzle, the Scottish
Mizzle.
mizzle.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, so we've got our activity started and we'll head out on the trail. So we're not far into the trail, and it's a nice, beautiful track. Beautiful bushlands. They call it up here woods. In the woods, the forest. It's swampy. So it's pretty obvious we're in a big pine forest here. And you come across a massive, great big boulder just by itself. Huge. Makes you sort of wonder, why is it here? Like it's not as if there's a lot of them here. It's just by itself. A mystery to ponder. We're now onto the Speyside trekking trail, which is running alongside a road. So we'll follow this down to the Osprey Centre. So we've made it to the Osprey Centre. Not too bad, it costs £5 to get in. And they promised us that there are osprey and an eagle in their nests at the moment. That's good wood carving. Very good. All right.
Here you are at Loch, Garten Nature Centre, where we've got the RSPB. We've got 3 cameras out there. The middle one is got, the first time they've got sea eagles nesting. 2 chicks have hatched and they're just currently feeding. To the right, we've got a goshawk. Yeah, she's on her nest, waiting to see how many they hatch, how many young they hatch. And on the left is the osprey, which is last year it's the same female from last year, but she didn't lay. She wasn't successful last year, so hopefully they'll be successful this year. But magnificent bird. Look at that.
Yeah, it's ripping into it.
Yeah.
Left the Osprey Centre. We've come off the road and we'll be doing a Loch. Start there, come in, then we go off track back to where the car's parked. We've come down the trail. We found a loch. There we go, all the tree roots along the ground here. Bit hard underfoot. I found a chair to sit on. Sounds good, have a bit of a rest I think. So we've left that loch, heading along the trail, away from the loch now. So look at the shrubbery. Got all this lichen growing everywhere. Looks like a great big carpet. Beautiful. We've come out of the thick forest onto a wider main path which should take us all the way back to where the car park is. Fingers crossed. But beautiful. Seems to be opening up a lot more now too. Alright, so we made it back to the car park from whence we started this morning. That was a very pleasant walk out to the Osprey Centre and back. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next adventure. Thank you very much. See you next time.